Alright, so my little power tester has quit working. I wonder what's wrong with it. It stopped all of a sudden, so I'm gonna try doing some repairs. There it is. Let me just find a way to get my phone to stay up. As I burned the wax off. It's very crowded, almost set the house on fire just a second ago. Without trying to get it out of here. You can see I've been digging to it. Cutting torch. Shh. I know this is way overkill. But it's the only thing I hate about Jenny. So just gonna tick to it with the torch until all this stuff melts. Oh, I had a big air bubble in it. You know what? Rather than making y'all go through the whole process of watching me melt all that wax, I'm just gonna post a second